welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you a recipe that I am loving and that is super simple and super healthy, especially for June. I'm going to be making baby muffins that are just loaded with fruits and vegetables. These muffins have carrots, zucchini, and apple in them. So every time June eats one, she's really getting those fruits and vegetables, and she really loves these muffins. I found this recipe on the blog Hungry Little Munchkins. I'll have it linked down in the description. There are loads of ways you can make little baby muffins like this. You can kind of use what fruits and vegetables you have in your kitchen at the time. But this is what I have, so this is the recipe I'm following. So first off, to get these veggies into the muffins, I have to grate them. So I'm gonna need a cup each. A cup of grated carrots, a cup of grated zucchini, and a cup of grated apple. I'm gonna go ahead and you can use like a napkin, a paper towel, or a clean rag. And I'm just gonna try and like squeeze out any sort of liquid, just lightly. You don't have to do a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and just measure out the carrot. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it directly into this big bowl. Then I'll move on to the zucchini. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and just like press it lightly to get any excess liquid out. And then I'm gonna dump that into the bowl as well and move on to the apple. Okay, I'm gonna add that in. So we have the carrots, the zucchini, and the apple all in this big silver bowl. Next, I'm going to add all of the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna add 1 egg, 1/3 cup milk, 1/4 cup oil. This is the oil I'm choosing to use today. I really like this blend. And 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now you're just gonna mix that all up till well blended. Next, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add 1 cup flour, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and some cinnamon, and I even add a little pumpkin pie spice. And you mix it all together. Now that we have our mix ready, I'm just going to grease the mini muffin pan. And this muffin pan is prone to sticking, so I go ahead and just use a bit of softened butter and really grease them well. And I'll just like go through. Now that the muffin pan is all greased, I'm gonna go ahead and just fill the muffins. I'm using just about a spoon, putting it in there with a little bit of a mound. So this mix makes me 24 mini muffins. Okay, so now that they're filled, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop them in the oven and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, so I've let my muffins cool for a bit. I baked mine for basically the full 15 minutes. And now I'm just gonna use a knife to go around the edges and pop them right out. Look how cute they are! They're so tiny. These are perfect size for June's hands. That's why she loves them. All right, June, you like your muffins? She loves them. So that was my video for this week. If you liked this cooking video, definitely leave that down in the comments below. Any ideas of recipes you think I should try, June might like. Also, we did an entire season on the Baby League YouTube channel where we made a bunch of recipes like this. If you're interested in these videos, I will have that linked in the iCard. And yeah, so thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. You wave bye. Bye bye. She's busy. She's busy eating.